In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Subject Specialist Pakistan Publishers Mission 2013 MCQ, that is the equation 3x square plus 7xy plus 2y square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 represents. First of all, definition of conics, that is conic section. The equation of conic section is represented by the general equation of second degree ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. And discriminant above equation